This is good, Our Nation. So today we're gonna have to ILLIT do the dance. Alright guys, so I can't wait to see their comeback. Without further ado, let's jump into this. Short hair. Oh, so adorable. Where are you heading to? The festival? Oh. Oh. They all have short hair. Let's go. Whoa. Hey. It's sample though. Oh. Cat. Better watch out. They're flying. He's looking at that. Hey. Huh? Oh, they follow face. Huh? Oh. Hey. George Lopez pose. Eh? Eh? Oh. Oh. Hey. Okay. Oh. 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 Sounds so familiar. I cannot remember what song that was. You know, the sample of that song? Oh. Cute. Hey. Oh, cutie. Huh? Yeah. Oh. 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 Huh? Yeah. Little, so catchy. Oh. Oh. Oh, they're so talented. Hey. Oh, God. Oh. Hello. Oh. Hey. Cotton candy. Hmm? Oh. Oh my God. I love her smile though. So cute. Oh wow. Alright guys, this is a reaction to ILLIT. Do the dance. Oh, this is so catchy. Alright guys, so what you guys think about this? Is it good? Please support ILLIT. How they get multiple wins because they're so talented. Alright guys, if you guys did this reaction, don't forget to subscribe. Alright guys, so see you guys in the next one.